Hey there, this is a quick walkthrough of the new Case and Evidence Notes version history feature. So how this works is I'm going to come into a case, click into my notes, and as you can see we've got some case notes and some evidence notes in this particular case. So how this works is anytime I make an update to this note, once this has saved, I can click the Actions button, click Version History, and now I can see all the versions and timestamps of this particular note. So let's say I'm looking just for versions with the text, hello there. So this will show me all the versions of the note that have that in it. So if I were to type incident ID, for example, it'll come back with just the versions that have that particular text in it. And let's say I wanted to restore an older version of the note. Let's say I wanted to do this one here. We can easily do that. All you have to do is click the Restore This Version button and click Restore. And that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching.